It's Lucian here, back at the agent's garage. Today I'm fitting a Mercedes Vito engine. As you can see, I have the engine on. Basically we put on the gearbox at the moment, so everything is tied up, and after this we're gonna lift it up and put it back in the Vito, back in the bus. So everything is stripped and ready. So yeah, I'll catch you guys when everything is finished. Ciao.
Hi guys, so today we buzzing a vehicle, customer popped in for engine management light that is on here. So we carried out diagnostics, and this particular vehicle has 4 Lambda sensors, otherwise known as oxygen sensors. It basically takes a reading before and after the catalytic converters in order to adjust fueling on the vehicle. Okay, so like I said, we have 4 sensors, so we'll have on this vehicle, so we're replacing bank 1 sensor on here. So if you follow my hand, that will be the first sensor on the catalytic converter over here. So this will be the one that we'll be replacing today. And with that, in order to remove this particular catalytic converter, the sensor itself, normally what guys will do is you'll see them take off all these covers because they need to get to the actual nut of the sensor itself, and you actually get special tool for it. So what we have is over here, you'll see, is a oxygen sensor kit, and with that you'll see the different lengths of adapters on it in order to get to that specific nut to get it off here. So I'll be showing you today with that special tool how easy it is to remove that sensor here. Hi guys, so just to talk to you about this nice Golf that we're busy on. It's coming for a gearbox oil leak as well as suspension check over. So what we found on both outer CV joints and the CV joint so on, causing noises when turning left or right. And then the gearbox leak is what they call a side swap seal on the left hand side. So we'll be replacing both these side swap seals today, both CV joints, and then the steering rack boots on this vehicle that you see here with us. We have another convo with you. Today we are servicing a Pajero 3.8 V6. It's in for what we call an annual, or otherwise oil change service. Yeah, so basically what gets done in this particular service would be draining and changing or replenishing the engine oil. We will be replacing the oil filter along with the seals and the sump plug. Also with every service, what we do is we go through all lights, safety aspects like your brakes, we go through the suspension and a basic bumper to bumper check that gets done on your vehicle as well. If the vehicle does have diagnostic capabilities, then we will plug in the machine as well, just to check that everything electronically is good as well. So yeah, that's it. Stay tuned, watch us do the service on this vehicle.